morning, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you a Punjabi girl hairstyle. So let's get started. So first of all, comb your hair properly and make a center part like this. And then again comb it. So now make ear to ear parting. So now take this much of hair from this side and kept it in your hand and do the same on the other side. Now comb them properly and make a puff out of it. The puff should not be that much bouncy. Now pin it. I am using bobby pins. So it is done. Now from this section of hair, divide it into 3 sections, this and this, and take the first section of your hair and twist it. Now twist it and pin it up from the back. And do the same on the other side.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always
See? Now you have to repeat it 2 times on both sides.
low. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it.
Take a strip out of your hair
Giving up is all that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With
and twist rest of them.
your rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew
gonna repeat these steps on the other side.
There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world.
So that's the final look. You can leave them open or you can make a braid out of it. So I'm going to make a braid.
Will fill my
Make sure your braid is loose. So now make a side braid.
You pull me out of deep.
Divide your hair into 3 sections.
Breathe again. I dive into your love.
Now braid it as shown.
Feel my breath again. Whenever you will call my name, I will run to you. You give me strength to carry on. Pull me into you. You give my life again.
You can lose it out so that it looks more thicker.
Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love could make.
So our final look is ready. As you can see, it looks like a really Punjabi girl hairstyle.
Your love is all I
And if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.